Chairman. Just an interjection. Just full disclosure. Mr. Mark Taguba is a witness, one of the witnesses in my illegal drug smuggling case against Mr. Pulong Duterte and Small Abilera and the others. And right now,
Where is that pending, Senator?
it's pending with the DOJ.
see.
It's still pending.
It's due for preliminary investigation yet.
Yes, ma'am. And as for his status as for the inclusion in the witness protection program, it's also pending, Mr. Chairman, and right now, I got word from his lawyer that he is receiving threats right now from some people involved in the case, and that's why I'm going to plead on his behalf that he would be temporarily transferred into the detention facility of the House of Representatives, just so we can protect him, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, the manifestation of former Senator Trillanes with regards to the request, no, I also personally talked to Mark Taguba just a few minutes ago. Mr. Chairman, we will just discuss it on the admin matters. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Liwanagin ko lang, Mr. Chair. Of course, you testified before the Senate, no? Where you implicated Pulong Duterte and Manscarpio. That is your first testimony.
In first testimony po sa Senate,
Yeah. Tama ba? That is your first testimony.
ang first testimony ko po sa Senate, yung para system po.
Yeah. But when did you start implicating Pulong Duterte and Manscarpio?
Sa Congress na po yun. Congressional hearing po.
Oh, so there was an investigation also with the HOR.
Yes.
Okay. And then, after experiencing all those harassments that you mentioned, you recanted what you said before the House of Representatives.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama. So this will be your third.
Third,
And as far as the implication of Pulong Duterte and Manscarpio are concerned, this is your third testimony.
Your Honor, as far as I'm concerned, wala naman nagbago dito sa sinabi ko dito. Sa
Yeah.
iba.
But there, you mentioned having recanted what you said in the first investigation because you're experiencing already a lot of harassments. Tama ba yun?
Rika, wala po akong nirecant sa affidavit ko na kila Pulong Duterte po
In
ba?
other words, your testimony has been similar to this since the HOR investigation until your application as state witness was denied and
Yes.
up to this time that you're appearing before the Quad. Wala nagbabago.
Wala pong nagbago, Your Honor.
I understand. Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chairman.
Senator Trillanes?
I was part of those who investigating in the Senate, and he during that press conference he just apologized to Pulong Duterte. He never recanted, and we clarified that in his next appearance in the Senate, Mr. Chairman, whether he is recanting anything from his earlier testimony. He replied in the negative, Mr.
I have nothing further, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Congresswoman. I thought you're like the ever-ready battery. Tuloy-tuloy. So, since there are no other member who wish to interpolate, unless Congressman Akop is... you recognize, Congressman Akop.
Thank you, Mr. Clarification lang po. Kasi kanina ako po yung naglabas ng 13 Chinese from the apartment. Pero meron pong nag-text sa akin, I should not confuse the 13 Chinese taken from the apartment from the 11 taken sa Domoy. Yes, 13 and 11. Would that be correct, Director Quedato and Gerald Villanueva?
Your Chair, Your Honors. Ang pagkakaalam ko lang po, yung naabutan kong briefing during the time na nasa airport po ako, 6 lang po yung namatay doon sa Dumoy. Yun lang
Yung
po ang-
namatay?
Opo, yun lang
But
po.
there
ang nalaman.
were, according to dito, meron pang 11 na buhay.
Wala po akong alam po doon. Wala pong briefing na natanggap ako during the time na nandun po sa Davao, Your Honor.
Gerald Wilkins?
Negative, Mr. Chair.
Negative. So, may I know if SPO4 Val Carrillo is under you or was under you during the time?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. And did you lead the raid sa Domoy?
Yes,
For the
Mr. Chair.
record. And you tell us that 6 Chinese were killed, no other Chinese arrested?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. That is for the record. Mr. Chair, may I move that I think SPO for Carrillo was already will be invited.
That's correct, yes.
And may I move also that we invite Jed Pila C, currently jailed in the Cavite Women's Correctional.
Jed Pilapil C.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, there's a motion to invite Miss Jed Pilapil C in the next scheduled quad hearing. Duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. So, Comsec, please send an invitation to Miss Jed Pilapil C via Bucor. No? I think it's under Bucor.
Mr. Chair, are we going to invite Mr. Jimmy Guban and Mr. Mark Taguba in the next hearing?
Yes, I believe they will be invited again.
Then I'll be asking questions na lang later.
Okay. Thank you, Congressman Abante. Now, Congressman Paduano, you're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Before we proceed with the last item, no, on the subject matter with regards to drugs, Mr. Chairman, with the request of Mr. Taguba, because of security threat, may I move, Mr. Chairman, that we request the Bucor through Jose Gregorio Katapang for Mr. Taguba to be transferred in the House Sergeant at Arms, Mr. Chairman, until the Quad Committee has completed its investigation or until the perceived threats for Mr. Taguba are fully eliminated. So move, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion to
Second.
request the temporary transfer of Mr. Mark Taguba to be detained at the House of Representatives Detention Facility until we terminate the committee hearing.
Until the termination of the committee investigation or the threat in the life of Mr. Taguba is fully eliminated.
So until the committee terminates its hearing or until the threat to the life of Mr. Taguba has
Wait,
yeah, that's correct. So any second? Duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried. So, Comsec, please.
Mr. Chair.
Before that, the chair directs the Comsec to communicate to the Bucor head, General Katapang, regarding the transfer of Mr. Mark Taguba to the House of Representatives Detention Facility. Yes, Congresswoman.
Mr. Chair, I
Luistro.
overlook to give the chance to Small Abellera to comment to what Mr. Taguba said about Mr. Abellera having received this 5 million. So in the interest of fair play, Mr. Chair, can we please give him a chance?
Okay. Mr. Abellera, you are recognized.
Thank you, ma'am. Actually, gina-expect ko na magsalita siya ng ganun. Dala ko naman yung affidavit ko dito na pinasa ko sa Senate. And kung payagan nyo, basahin ko lang ulit. And I think I gave a copy already sa committee ninyo about sa Senate na affidavit ko. And kung payagan nyo lang, pwede ko namang basahin, then you can review it, then pwede nyo naman akong tanungin from there.
Okay. So since, just for the record, the committee is in receipt of a copy of the affidavit of Mr. Abellera that he also gave to the Senate, no? Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. So yes, if is it
Actually, Mr. Chair, dalawa yata yung pinasa ko dyan, yung affidavit ko sa Senate before nung 2017, which I have a copy. I still have a copy. And yung affidavit ko based doon sa allegations din ni Mr. Guban dito sa Congress. But again, I leave the discretion to the Congress. Kung babasahin rin dalawa din, I will read it. Then,
well, I was browsing through it earlier. Medyo
Mr. Chair.
mahaba siya.
Mr.
So
Chair.
I just would like probably that the committee members be given a copy so that we can peruse over this and discuss this in the next scheduled Quadcom hearing. If that is a appropriate request from the chair.
Mr.
And-
Chair,
Yes, Congressman Abante.
pwede naman siyang sumagot ngayon kung tumanggap siya ng 5 million. Tumanggap ba kayo ng 5 million mula kay Mark Taguba? Hindi.
ang sagot ko po dyan, hindi. Dahil alam mo niya, kung pa-explain niyo ko, alam mo niya, nung pagkita namin, na gaya ng ginasabi ko sa Senate, nahindian na ho siya. So, ano ho ang rason para bigyan niya ako ng pera kung hinindian naman siya?
Pero nakipagkita ka sa kanya.
Yes, nagkita kami.
Oh. Mark, pinapatunayan mo na binigyan mo siya ng 5 million.
Opo.
Jimmy, ikaw, alam mo ba kung hindi mo alam?
Separate transaction po yung sa amin, Your Honor.
Separate.
Sige, so as the chair requested earlier, because I know you are all exhausted, unless you want to continue, the chair doesn't mind. The copies of the affidavit and the affidavit that Mr. Abellera submitted to the Senate and the new affidavit that he has submitted to us will be furnished to all the members of the committee so that we can peruse over this and discuss this in our next scheduled quad hearing. Yes, Congressman Paduano.
Last for the admin, Mr. Chairman, we have received a copy of the motion for reconsideration of former Mayor Teddy Tumang with regards to the contempt order that was issued just this afternoon, Mr. Chairman. And let me read, Mr. Chairman, the important part of the motion for reconsideration, the paragraph 5 of his motion. And to quote, in this line, I express my most profound apologies for any conduct that may have been perceived by this honorable committee to be non-cooperative and respectful, and I affirm my commitment once again to help these honorable committees in all hearings, proceedings, and investigations. With that, I humbly beg the compassion and the indulgence of this honorable committee to lift the order of contempt, for I have no willful intent to refuse to answer the relevant inquiries of the honorable committee. I am respectfully appealing to this honorable committee to reconsider the order of contempt for humanitarian reasons and for medical reasons. I am currently suffering from diabetes, and to be candid, my blood pressure is not good when I was checked by the attending house physician. Thus, I am humbly appealing and begging with you, Your Honors.
Okay, so
So with that, Mr. Chairman, since I am the movant to cite Mayor Teddy Tumang in contempt, before I move, Mr. Chairman, to lift, I just want to make it clear, Mr. Chairman, that conditional po ang lifting natin. My motion will be conditional that in the next hearing, Mr. Tumang should be present, at the same time, he will truthfully answer all the questions that will be raised by the members of this committee. With that, Mr. Chairman, I move to lift the order of contempt for Mr. Teddy Tumang on the basis that I have manifested a while ago, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
well, I know that the movement has a compassionate heart, as well as the majority members of this committee. Therefore, there is now a motion to lift the contempt order issued to Mayor Tumang and duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
Mr. Chair,
Comsec.
Mark Taguba will start staying here in Congress tonight.
We still have to communicate with the Bucor. So as soon as the communication is received by the Bucor, and COMSEC will make sure that the Bucor will comply.
Yes, sir. As
with
we
the order?
speak, we are sending it to the Bucor.
Okay, that's
through
good.
email.
So if the order, if the request is granted by the Bucor, then maybe he can stay already at our detention facility tonight.
Fast track na lang.
So any other matters? Yes,
This will,